For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a logistics business can be a highly rewarding venture, especially as global trade and e-commerce continue to grow rapidly. Logistics involves managing the transportation, storage, and flow of goods efficiently, which is critical for many industries. Leveraging free AI tools can simplify the process, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making from business planning to marketing and operations. This guide will take you step by step through starting a logistics business using free AI resources. Step 1. Understand the logistics industry and identify your niche. Begin by researching the logistics sector thoroughly to understand the market dynamics, key players, and customer needs. The logistics industry covers freight transportation, warehousing, inventory management, last-mile delivery, and more. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT to get a broad overview. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT with, "Explain the current trends and challenges in the logistics industry in 2025. This will help you identify niches such as e-commerce delivery, cold chain logistics, or third-party logistics, 3PL, services where you can specialize. Step 2. Conduct market research and competitor analysis. Next, gather detailed market data to validate your business idea. Use AI tools like Google Trends and free AI-powered data analysis platforms, such as Google Sheets with AI add-ons or ChatGPT for interpreting data. Ask ChatGPT to analyze the competitive landscape of local logistics companies in your region. This will give you insights into competitors' strengths, weaknesses, and service gaps you can exploit. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A solid business plan is essential for securing funding and guiding your startup. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by giving a prompt like, "Create a detailed business plan outline for a logistics startup focusing on last-mile delivery." ChatGPT can help structure your plan with sections on market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, financial projections, and more. Then you can refine each section by asking for more detailed content or examples. Step 4. Register your business and obtain necessary licenses. Once your plan is ready, register your logistics company legally. The requirements vary by location, but usually involve registering a business name, choosing a legal structure, and obtaining permits related to transportation and warehousing. Use ChatGPT to find relevant regulations by prompting, "What are the legal requirements to start a logistics company in your country/state?" It can summarize the steps and direct you to official websites. Step 5. Plan your fleet and infrastructure. Decide whether you will own vehicles, lease them, or partner with third-party carriers. Consider the types of goods you will handle and the transportation modes, trucks, vans, drones, etc. Use AI tools like Google Sheets or ChatGPT to create cost-benefit analyses for fleet options. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, "Compare the advantages and disadvantages of leasing versus buying delivery trucks for a logistics startup." Step 6. Implement technology for operations management. Efficient logistics depends on tracking shipments, managing inventory, and scheduling deliveries. Use free or freemium AI-based logistics management platforms or open-source tools for route optimization and fleet management. For basic operations, ChatGPT can help you create spreadsheets and workflow documents. You might ask, what are some free AI tools for route optimization and fleet tracking? Step 7. Develop a website and online presence. A professional website is critical for customer engagement. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Bookmark, which use AI to create customized websites based on your inputs. Alternatively, ChatGPT can help you draft website content by prompting, "Write engaging homepage content for a logistics company specializing in fast and reliable delivery." AI can also assist in SEO optimization by suggesting keywords and meta descriptions. Step 8. Create a marketing plan using AI. Marketing your logistics services will require targeted campaigns. Use ChatGPT to build your marketing plan by asking. Develop a digital marketing strategy for a new logistics company targeting e-commerce businesses. You can also use free AI tools such as Canva with AI design features to create social media graphics and ads. For email campaigns, tools like MailChimp offer free tiers with AI-powered insights on engagement. Step 9. Set up customer service and communication channels. Efficient customer communication is vital in logistics. Use AI chatbots like those from Tidio or Chatfuel's free plans to automate customer inquiries on your website or social media. ChatGPT can help you script responses and FAQs by prompting. Write a customer service FAQ for a logistics company. Integrating AI-powered chatbots ensures 24/7 support and timely updates. Step 10. Network and build partnerships. Logistics thrives on connections with suppliers, carriers, and customers. Use AI-powered LinkedIn tools such as Sales Navigator, free trial available, to identify and connect with potential business partners. You can also prompt ChatGPT with suggest effective networking strategies for a logistics startup owner. Step 11. Monitor performance and optimize. After launching, continuously monitor your operations using AI analytics tools. Google Analytics for your website and free logistics-specific tracking tools can provide valuable insights. Use ChatGPT to help interpret data or suggest improvements. For example, ask, analyze logistics KPIs, and recommend operational improvements for a startup. Step 12. Scale your business with AI support. As your business grows, AI can help scale your operations by automating routine tasks, forecasting demand, and optimizing routes further. Explore free AI tools for inventory forecasting, customer relationship management, CRM, and advanced route planning. ChatGPT can help you identify the best tools by prompting. Recommend free AI software for scaling logistics business operations. In conclusion, starting a logistics business today is more accessible than ever thanks to free AI tools that provide research, planning, marketing, and operational support. By systematically using AI at every stage, from market analysis and business planning to customer service and scaling, you can build an efficient, competitive logistics company with minimal upfront costs. Stay informed, adapt quickly, and let AI guide your strategic decisions for sustainable growth in this dynamic industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.